doing United Career Mode, and yep. So, we will not be using Ruben anymore, because he's not that good. So, yep. We will just be doing a normal career mode. Right, guys, I'm just going to refer to it as boss. I don't really care. Right, please. Guys, so today I am going to be taking on a job. Guys, I reckon we do the buttoned yeah, success-ish. Guys, shorts is crazy on the sidelines. Right, lads, taking on Man United today. We will upgrade it a bit on that, and then we're going to go lenient, and then we're going to go that. Guys, as you know, we don't take international job offers. Right, guys, guys, no guys, let's go with that Man United one, and then let's do our tactical preset. I think we do counter attack. Yeah. New board objectives. Right, that's just good, isn't it? Guys, so I guess let's have a look. Not liking that formation, mate. Right, let's go straight to a 4-back. Oh, guys. Let me take a look at my Manchester City, because I'm not sure how I did that. I did something that I should not have done, and it actually kind of worked out for the best. So I did do a 4-5-1 on that. I think I'm going to do that again. Oh, guys, we already got it. I reckon we do that, and then that we don't use everything, so we put Mount on the bench. And we bring Xerxes on, and that, and that, and that, and that. Quiet. I know a lot of people will dismiss this, bro, but yep. We need a new striker. I reckon we do go for. We make transfers happen, boys. Who has gone for the club? Hoyland has. That's one player. Smith's 3. Guys, I know a lot of people might shout, but yeah, there we go. Oh my god. Right, lads. Sim to the season. Cause you need to go to Bilbao. Oh, 22 million for. Oh my god, bro. Okay, bro, they had a really bad season, United, like. I know they did, but hey guys, sorry. There goes London, I think. What's that? Alright, yeah, you can do that, lads. I don't mind that. Guys, how much do we have? Not a lot, but right, guys, we make transfers happen. Boys, United were going for someone else, I can't remember, it's a goalkeeper. Boys. There ain't no way we're not using these, mate. Are you mad? I don't think Lenny's good enough, then we've got... Yep. Dog, you can go on loan, and Malassi is going to come on the bench. I think he might not start the first game, but alright, yeah. I think, guys, we're going to play Marcus Rashford. I know he's gone to Barcelona boy, but can't make it all realistic. Get us 40, 50 minutes. I reckon we offer 44. 45, close enough, bro. Get him. Come on, mate, we're out like a teeth, couldn't you? Right, lads. 4 years, I don't mind a bit of that age 30, mate. Guys, I'll offer his wage to that, and then sign his bonus, then goals. If you score 15, mate, you can have... I'll give you 150, mate. Good enough for you, won't you? Wait, hold on. Guys, don't mind it. I'm just testing something, boys, and it is kind of working. Guys, that's actually an alright price, right? Oh, what have I just paid? Oh mate, I've just paid quite a lot for a player that I don't really need to pay that much for, mate. 5 years, please, let's go. Yes, get in, come on. Oh, guys, this is going to be amazing, mate. I'll offer 120%, 130, 150. I'll offer 100, and then if he scores 25, I'll offer you 200, mate. You look happy, little bro. Oh, get in me club. Come on. Let's go. Right, boys. Just Brian and Buemo left. Let's go. As I reckon we offer 54. He's a very good man, Thomas Frank. I'll admit. That tells me I could have done a lot less of money for that man. I bet it's going to say 40 something. No, not rotation. Crucial. Thank you. 5 years. Get it. Come on, Brian. 150 and then 160. You score 15, you can have, go on, 210 mate, I don't care. You don't look happy mate, why? Right, do we bring a superhero back to this? Yeah, we're already on the start. Yeah, we are, boys, come on. We're already cooking with our signings. Let's go, boys. We are already cooking, like, aren't we? Don't think we're going to use Dogu. So, Holland, get on the club now. Don't get what you say. Guys, I reckon Anthony's had his time here, boys. Yeah, maybe not. Guys, I tell you what, it's not that bad. That is not that bad. Bench at all, is it, mate? It actually isn't. Guys, I don't know if we trust Manu. I don't know if we trust Manu. Guys, you know what I mean? I don't know if we trust Manu. I don't know if we trust Onana. Ireland's already on the transfer list, man. That's crazy. Wheatley, you can go on, mate. Garnacho, you're on the transfer list already. Yeah, Wolves are coming through. Ireland straight away, mate. 21 million, is that it? Like, bro, you got signed for 80 million, mate. What's happened to this man? Bro's back. Oh my god, how much has bro lost? You're a fair man, bro. You're a fair man. Good boy. Who's this? Go on, Annie. Do not stick with that, mate, you fatty. 13.5. Just do it! Go on, bro, just accept it. Bro doesn't want to pay 5 more. Bro, is this guy okay? Alright, yeah. Alright, bro, you can go to the French League if you want. I couldn't really care less. Now, mate, who do you think you are, mate? Good boy. Benny, I'm sorry, bro, but you gotta go. Right, there goes Lenny. Who's gone? And how much have we got? Not even half a dollar on it. I need money, bro. Yeah, see you, Lenny. You've done good at the club, bro. Bye. Hurts to say it, but bye. Can Hoyland just go already? Maguire. No, man. You're not going to Arsenal. If anyway, you're not going to Arsenal, bro. I know they're not our rivals, or they kind of are, but I know they're not our rivals, but you're not going to Arsenal. I want Chelsea to come in with an offer for Garnacho. Come on. That's Haaland gone. It's Casemiro, actually. Oh, that's surprising. And there goes Casemiro. Please, Haaland after that? Right. Nope. Bro, just Chelsea come in with an offer, please. Brighton, you can have Harry Maguire all you want. No. I know he's 30 and all that, but great arm, Luke Shaw, he's an absolute dean. I mean, how are you going to get an offer? Because Highland, you need to go. It's baby Highland, I swear, bro. It's Harry Maguire. See you later, you big tree. See you later, you big tree. You actually kind of deserved it all. No offence, Harry. No offence. It bro takes full offence. In what you want me to mount, bro, that's crazy. Better be some offers. Get offers in. And not, oh my god. Oh, you know what? No. Guys, you know who I'm going for. Same age, but he's so much better. Have we even got enough? I don't bloody care. Yeah, we have. We've got 100 and something. 44. Say yes. Good boy. Unai Emery. Probably one of the best managers in the Premier League. Well, no. Used to be. Last year he was good. This year he's not. He's last, what, 2 games, and he's drawn 1. That is not good. I'll tell you what, Ezri. So you're actually coming in the club. There you go. Coming to United. Come on, bro. You might be our new number 4 here. Who's our number 4? The light. Right, you're our new number 5 or 3. Who's number 3 in the club? No one, actually, is it? Is it? Is it? Who's our number 3, like? Mazzaroni. You're going to number 5, I don't care. It's because of the goals at number 4. Number 3, I mean. Put an offer in. Chelsea to come in. Make it realistic, bro. Not Brentford. Oh. Maxine, you just accepted it. There goes Garnacho, bro. Oh, Highland. By the way, can Highland go, please? I've been asking for like 6 years. I need the big donkey out, bro. Get him out. Right, bro, just go. Obi, what are you doing?